Okay, so things I don't tell you about Invisalign part 2. You can lose weight. Now, this depends on what kind of person you are. So if you're anything like me and you have lazy tendencies and sometimes you just can't be asked to deal with the hassle of things, yeah, you can lose weight. There's sometimes I just skip meals because I can't be bothered to deal with brushing my teeth, cleaning my eyeliners, putting them back in. Like, I just can't be bothered, and it's definitely not worth the snack. Sometimes it's not even worth the drink. So I just kind of stick to water and I just eat my main meals every day. Like, I eat twice a day. So I take out my liners twice a day because, yeah, ain't nobody want to be doing that all the time. 2 is that it does actually help with building discipline. And I say this because it's actually really helped me to build a routine. So I kind of know when I'm going to eat my meals, when I'm going to brush my teeth. If you're someone who likes order, routine, it definitely helps to build on that and builds that level of discipline. The next one is that they actually can shave or file down your teeth. Now, this only happens if you have overcrowding or you don't really have gaps in your teeth. They kind of shave down a little bit in between your teeth. It's very microscopic, so don't think they're gonna leave gaping holes in your mouth. No, they're not gonna do that. But they do shave it down like a microscopic amount just so that there's movement or area for movement for the teeth. And then the final one is that when you're done with the whole process and you think you're finally free from aligners, that is not the case. You have to wear your retainers for life. You can invest in permanent retainers so you don't have to deal with it. But again, that's another chunk of money that you're going to put towards the cost of sorting out your teeth. And it's usually an additional cost to your package. But again, if you snap your retainers or you lose them, you will have to pay for another set. So make sure you look after them. But with all this being said, it is still worth it. And I won't change my mind about it because the results, worth it.
So those are definitely some things that can happen with your Invisalign treatment. Most of them are indirect consequences of the treatment. We've heard it from a lot of our patients: snacking less, regimented lifestyle. Don't know about the filing of the teeth. That one I don't agree with. Also, the fact that you do need retainers for life because otherwise your teeth will shift back.